Are you tired of constant notifications for TikTok live streams you're not interested in? Take back control of your notifications and enjoy a more peaceful TikTok experience. This video will guide you through the simple steps to disable live stream notifications. I had a video about this topic, but is kind of old, so I had a request to update it. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Launch the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines, hamburger menu, in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you reach the Live section. Tap on Live Notification Settings. Here are multiple settings that we need to understand. So let's talk about every setting. Get live notifications from accounts you follow. You could choose to be notified every time someone you follow starts a live stream or turn these notifications off. If you turn this setting off, all other settings will be disabled as well. Live rewards notifications and transactions notifications. These options are related to the reward system and gifts that are added to your live streams. Subspace notifications. It's a separate subscriber-only chat area within TikTok live streams. Think of it like a private chat room just for fans who pay for a creator's subscription. If you disable this, you will not receive any notifications about this. So to remove live notifications for accounts you follow, just turn off the first settings. This will remove the live stream notifications for all users. But what if you want only to disable notifications for specific users? You can choose to let the option for live streaming on and disable notifications to a specific user. Below those settings is a section called Accounts You Follow. Let's say somebody is doing a lot of live streams and you are fed up. You can tap on their name and from the bottom select None, and you will not receive any notifications from this person. You can do this for all users that you do not like. This way, you will keep notifications to only people that you like. This is how you disable live stream notifications on TikTok. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.